Hello cube lovers! You may have recently seen Feliks Zemdegs' brilliant 4.75 second solve from earlier this month at Canberra Spring 2017. Or you may have seen Phillip Lewicki do a walkthrough of that solve on his YouTube channel. However, that solve isn't the first time we've seen such amazing zeroing by the world record holder. Today, let's take a look at an equally amazing solve by Feliks at Lifestyle Season Summer 2015. The solve was 6.02 seconds and was the fourth solve of a 6.65 average of 5. The scramble will be on screen, and let's see how the solve goes on. Okay, Feliks starts this solve with a white cross. First, we're going to do a Z2 or a Z2. And what we notice is we have two cross pieces already solved, this green and orange. The remaining edge pieces are here, red and blue. In addition, we have this already solved F2O pair hiding in the back, so Feliks is going to be sure to preserve that as he's making his cross. Feliks starts by solving the blue edge by going D, R, and then finishes this cross by going D2, F prime, and then already anticipating solving this pair, he's doing a D prime and a U at the same time, and solving this from the back. The next case he's going to solve is this flipped edge piece in this corner. So he's rotating as he does this, and if you don't know this F2L algorithm, it's a really useful one to know. So when you have this edge flipped in its spot and the corner piece is on top, all you do is a sledgehammer, and then we insert this pair. The next case we're going to solve is this orange and green and this orange and green edge right here. So Feliks rotates. Now, what might be tempting to do, what a lot of people might do, is to solve this case by going R, U, R prime, and then inserting the pair. But let's go back. Feliks does this case in a way that also orients the edges on the top layer in the best way possible. Just watch. Instead, Feliks goes R, U prime, R prime, and what that's doing is flipping this edge to become a good edge. And then Feliks finishes off this F2O pair, and he's rotating again as he's solving his pair, anticipating his next case. And notice how by doing that, we have these three edges solved. And this truly is the critical position in this solve, and what happens next is what makes the solve so amazing. Normally what people would do is they would do a U2 and then insert this corner and then solve this easy F2L case. But let's go back. What Feliks does here is truly incredible. Instead of solving this pair, Feliks is going to be solving just this F2L edge. Because by doing that, what he notices is he can solve all the edges on top as well. Notice how we have this red and blue that are solved in relation to each other. This green here, this is orange. So if Feliks inserts the edge, he's going to be solving all the edges on the cube. In addition, because this yellow corner is flipped the way that it is, as this edge is inserted, this position also has all corners oriented. So this is a pretty rare case, but the fact that Feliks sees this in the middle of the solve is pretty incredible. What this allows him to do is to solve these last four corners in the most beautiful way. If you know how to solve the Mega Minx, you'll probably recognize the way that Feliks is going to be solving these last couple corners. What he does is takes this corner piece out, finds where it actually belongs to put it over top, solves it, then moves on to the next corner, and then just has one more corner to solve, and that's the solve, 6.02 seconds. A lot of amazing things to learn from that solve, and the fact that Feliks was able to see it all while turning at the speed he does truly shows why he's one of the greatest Rubik's Cube solvers in the world. Thanks for watching, and good luck.